Welcome to Cafe 48, where we embark on a flavorful journey to South Kerala. Today, get ready to immerse yourself in the magic of traditional cuisine with an irresistible prawns fish curry. This mouth-watering masterpiece combines crispy coconut, furry chili and aromatic shallots, bringing the vibrant taste of Kerala's coastal paradise right to your plate. Join me on this tantalizing culinary adventure as we uncover the secrets behind this unforgettable recipe. Let's dive in and start cooking. Thank you for joining me on this flavorful journey through the South Kerala's culinary heritage. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes and unforgettable food experiences. Until next time, keep cooking and savoring the vibrant flavors of the world.